I wonder how many of you this annoys. Your passenger sits here. You turn that. And it's never straight again until you straighten it back up again. Like so. So what I've done was got this little black plastic cap with about 3M tape in the back. OCD cure. You'll never know it wasn't straight again. Sorted. Alright folks, I'm just trying to hardwire in this high level brake light. Which is taking me, I don't know, maybe an hour to get on so far. Oh, that's my power went out. Try again. I've just got this temporarily wired in to the connection for the centre brake light that's already there. Just comes in out here, in out, in through here. So I just need to tap into that. The panel was a bit of a pig. I got it off alright, but it left all the metal clips stuck in all these sort of oval holes. So I had to pull them out with pliers, and I've actually lost two inside the fucking panel. Excuse my French. So they'll probably rattle about and drive me bonkers. So I'll crack on. There we go folks, that was fairly straightforward. Just get the little panel to put on in the centre, and that'll be me. Far better.